What's up, my people? Little Dirt Boss says, what's going on, guys? We're on Christmas break here. We're gonna rip this tree down here. This is an old tree here. This old got hit by lightning or something, but it's blocked our road, and it took down another tree, and it's got another widowmaker up there. A lot of dangerous things going on here. So first things first, we're just gonna hook onto the busa, that I call it. This is a Hydrema 912, an awesome off-road dump truck. You guys can check that out in some of my videos. I got it working, but today we're going to show you how tough this thing is. We are going to try to disassemble this by hooking a chain and ripping it the rest of the way down, but hoping not to shake this loose and let that land on us. So that's why it's a little dangerous. We might grab over here. I don't know yet. I gotta assess the situation. All right, Max is gonna back it up over there. He's gonna come over here. We're gonna hook on this. I got a strap, 30 footer, 30,000 pound pull, I believe that strap is. And then 2 chains hooked, and we'll hook it to the front. A little more. Good, stop. All right, here we go. Let's get this on there, hooked on. And we're gonna put some tension on this and go nice and easy. And like I said, I wanna watch that to make sure everything's leaning that way, but you never know. Go nice and easy, see if we can pull this and snap it from there. I'm not comfortable with the chain system we got here of me keep yanking it. We're on wet frozen ground too, but I'm not comfortable with that. If this chain comes apart with that and it goes back and smashes that $2,000 windshield or more. So we may turn the BOMAG around and do it that way. Let's give that a whirl. Got Max turning it around for us. I got the D hook off the front. We'll try that, then we can give it some oomph. Yeah, so we got wet frozen ground and I'm slipping on, and I mean there's a lot of weight here, but we got this branch tied in, wrapped around this other tree going up this way, and I just broke it loose by yanking it. As you see, I broke that one. It's cracking that one, so it's tied in. I think if I take this strap and go over here with it, up here, it's gonna want to rotate and spin this a lot easier, but we still have a ton of weight hanging up and then grabbing all those trees, so we got to get it up and over. If we have better traction, like I said, there's frost in right under the surface, so it's just spinning. All right, all hooked up. Let's try that. We're a little more over this branch, which I don't like, but I'm gonna give it a whirl. Day 2, we got a little different setup. Ran out of light last night. I got the chain with 2 D hooks up there into one chain, into the strap, into this other tree, and we're going the opposite direction because we were trying to pull this big long one. It's wrapped into this one, which stops here, and they're all angling this way, which they're fighting to go that way. 10 times harder. I could loosen them up, yank this one here out from under that one. And I did break off a chunk there yesterday, and it got caught up into the trees there. So just trying not to break it, or trying not to get the chainsaw, just trying to do it with the BOMAG for now. Obviously we could bring an excavator and just move it, but trying to have some fun. Wow, she's making some divots, huh? Woo! We took that big tree down, we sheared it off, but now we're caught into everything. Gotta move my, oh wow, yeah, I was pulling everything. We've just sheared that big tree right off, so we definitely pulled it. Definitely pulled it. Got to adjust this into a different spot. All right, we're gonna drive around. We gotta come back through the woods. We're gonna grab this big one on this side and pull this whole thing off of this one, because I don't like these trees hanging in these trees. It's a bunch up in here. I don't really want to yank this and then have this thing come down on us, so re-rig. Well, just found this camera. I had it going, wasn't on though, but it got taken down with the trees. So here we go. Let's try to bust this one off and get it. Just moved it again. See what happens.